Alright guys, welcome back to Master Low Tutorial. Today I went to Walmart again. I got the new paint Hot Wheels Monster Truck Scratch Attack. This one's like a cheetah print. Pretty cool. All I need for this case is Gunster and I'm done with this case. Name, Scratch Attack, Truck Type Creature, Strength, Jungle Prowler, Scratch Attack, Predator, Scratch Attack guys. Pretty cool. Let's go and open it. Ooh, okay. Here it is, guys. I love the metal flake it has. Look at the metal flake. It's a brown metal flake, like a yellowish gold. Green windshield, the teeth in the front, the nose. Pretty cool, and the little whiskers, the tail. Of course, the exhaust, that's the tail. Little casting there. Black tires. Goldish yellow rims and roll. Rims and beadlocks, white chassis, gold roll cage, or like a brown roll cage. Pretty cool. So that's what I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoy.